Hey, what's up, everybody? Welcome back to Trading Wars. Thanks for joining me today, my friends. We are here for some live streaming, and I'm just ready to rock and roll, looking for some good setups here. So, I'm gonna start off with looking at futures here. So come on down, take your time, and come on down. I'm looking for a potential swing trade setup right here. So here is futures. The price action. You could see back on Tuesday, we had a very powerful outside bar at 4539. And the low, this is coming off of the CPI this morning, is 4495. Okay. So what I'm going to be doing right now, my friends, I'm going to be looking for a short position right below this low of this bar right now as it's forming here. Let's go ahead here. This is going to be a little bit of a swing trade. So take it on like this, guys, and try to set this up here. Let me double click. So let's risk $1,000 a pop here. See how many contracts they want. About 3 contracts. Okay, so let me go ahead and put this in the broker in 1 second. So I'm starting off the bat, really looking for some fire here. Looking for some good opportunities here, my friends. So I'm just gonna go here, order ticket, ES, futures, December contract. So I am using the December contract right now. And let's go ahead. So I'm gonna double click on here. I'm gonna put this to the side and I'm just gonna click sell. So this is for me, guys. You don't have to take this trade at all. This is just what I'm doing, and it's for education. And you guys do what you feel comfortable with. So I want to short at 45 to 225. I'm going to attach a stop loss here. I'm actually going to put this outside regular trading hours, and I'm going to put this as good to cancel in case it wants to fill after hours. And my stop level is going to be 452875. 452875. Same thing, outside regular trading hours, good to cancel. And let me go ahead here and should we put in a target even with the 15? Should we put in a target? So let's see for this swing trade here. So let's target right into this 272. Let's target this 4483 level right here. So I'm going to do 448275. Hit me with a 5 if you can hear me okay, guys. 448275 attach profit. 448275. Okay. So just review the order here. So looking at short 3 full contracts at 4522 and a quarter. And I have a stop loss right up here for protection and the profit taker as well. So I'm going to go ahead and just hit submit. Okay, so the order is live in the broker right now. All right, so that's what I'm looking for here on futures. And that's going to be like a nice little swing trade setup. And let's go back to the weekly chart and let's analyze this together. Okay, so here on the weekly chart here, we have this double inside bar pattern. It's been extremely difficult to day trade right now. It's been extremely difficult because of just these tight ranges. Okay, so here we go. This is Monday. This is the price action. All right, so you could see very tight range, very tight range. And that's what physically looks like a double inside bar. Hit me with a 25 if that makes sense. So there is your actual double inside bar on SPY, on futures as well. And whenever you have that double inside bar, the price action is getting tighter and tighter. So I'm going to go ahead right here. Let's do this arrow. And what we can see is we have this type of consolidation right there. Okay. So that's pretty much it, guys. That's what that consolidation looked like. Is the audio okay? Is there an echo? Hit me with a 5 if there's an echo. I gotta build my studio back up. But anyways, so that's what that double inside bar looks like right there, guys. All right, so let's just see here. Is everybody out here? All right, got that on the Discord. It's gonna be a little bit small echo. Okay, thank you guys. All right, so let's also look from a day trading perspective here on the 5-minute chart. So let's go ahead and look at the price action today. So we had this failure to do anything in the morning off of the CPI. I just took that Fibonacci from high to low today, ended up getting stopped out right here on this one. Just been like that for a while now. So gonna draw up the anchor for a day trade from low to high like this. And I just really want to watch if we can come into the golden zone. But again, like I said, my bigger picture look is right here. Especially if we can start to take these wicks out, that's a CPI wick. So let's go look at that, okay? So here's your CPI right here, okay? So that's your 830. You can see all the big wicks. And if you actually draw Fibonacci from the low of the CPI to that initial high, it's right on the 618 into a new high. Hit me with a 40 if you guys see that. Okay, so that's was a really nice setup here. That came in at 10.15. So that's the CPI, that information, that pivot point is what is actually running the algorithm this morning. Okay, because you could see that post 618 bang. Okay, so now from here, what I'm looking for, I go back to the hourly chart, is to see, look at this, 1, 2, 3, 4 bullish candles in a row. Hit me with the 10 if you see that. So we have 4 bullish candles in a row. And what I am hoping to see here is that turnaround, because generally after 3 or 4 of the same color candles in a row, you'll start to see a change in the trend, at least for a pullback or something of that nature. Okay, so I'm just looking here and I'm waiting patiently here. So I'm looking to go short below this bar that's forming right now. All right. All right, hit me with the 10 if that all makes sense. And while we're here, let's go ahead and let's pull up Tesla. And let's pull up Tesla. So Tesla, if we compare it to SPY, so Tesla weaker, definitely weaker today than SPY. You can see SPY is near the highs where Tesla is still in the middle of the range. And let's hit this again and let's pull up NVIDIA. I like to look at those names just to give me a context. So NVIDIA, perfect picture Fibonacci here. Hit me with the 4. Can you guys see the perfect picture? Picture perfect Fibonacci here. Hit me with the 4 if you can see it. So when it comes to day trading, you know, these are great setups here, but let's go ahead and draw our fib from our low to our high right here, guys. Look at this. This one is stunning, right on the 618 into a new high of day. You know, when you're day trading these stocks, you can definitely use the Fibonacci. It's very powerful, and it's very similar to yesterday. If we look at yesterday, we go low to high, same concept off the 618. This one just didn't have enough juice. This one has a lot more juice today. But if we flip it actually from high to low right here, we can actually see the 618 on the short side was also in place. So a lot of Fibonacci's going on there. What's going on, Omar? I hope you're feeling better, brother. And coming out of surgery, hope we're all pulling for you, brother. All right. All right. So if you have any other chart requests, let me know. But here we go, guys. So again, waiting to see if I'm gonna get filled share short. I might get filled short right now. Okay, let's see. All right, let me open up the broker just to make sure. Yep, I am short right now, guys. I have my stop loss right here for now. And let's see how this plays out today. Okay, and gonna just have a nice little tight stop loss here for protection. I do like this setup here being on the 618, and I really like this anchor up here for protection as well. I went with an aggressive stop loss here on this candle because of this wick right here. I could have had a much wider stop loss up here, but just want to go for a quick mover here to see if we can catch that. Okay. All right, let's pull up Intel. Hit me with the 15 if everything's making sense so far. Let me know if audio is okay, if visual, the quality is all good. Hit me with the 2. I'm in a new studio right now. I'm still working on that. So hit me with the 2 if everything's all good. And we'll just keep it going. All right. All right, so let's go here. All right, let's just add Intel here. See what we can get. It's a pretty big, powerful candle on Intel. A lot of chop. Otherwise, you could see we're still in that range, 930 right here. We're like in this box. So I'm gonna put this one to the side. Don't want to be forcing in that box. Here we go. So this short is coming down here, guys. You know, if I wanted to right now, I can, let me give this a little bit of breathing room here. But if I want to here, I could just tighten up the stop loss right here. And just get that extra protection. What do you guys think? Should we tighten up the stop? Him with a 1 to tighten up the stop, him with a 2 if no. What do you guys think? If we start to flush very hard on this candle here, like if we start to come down aggressively here, like a big red candle here, I would love to move that stop loss right above there, okay? And just give me that protection. So let's go ahead. Let's see. You know, we're up just a little bit of profit on this trade right now, up $30, okay? So, you know, it is what it is, 30 bucks, you know? Got to start somewhere, right? But this is definitely a bigger picture look right here on this setup here. You know, the what I love doing here, guys, is I love to see these big outside bar candles with these strong wicks, because those really show a lot of type of algorithm moves. And then we could also see on the CPI earlier in today the same type of powerful algorithm style candles, because that's not just retail taking those trades, okay? It's a lot of institutions, a lot of things going on there. So here we go. Let's say the 1R is right about there. Okay, so if I get to this level here, guys, I will be up $1,000. All right. Hit me with a 6 if that all makes sense right now. It's going to take a little bit of time for this to play out though. So, because this is the hourly chart. Okay. I mean, it could flush right here. We just want to drop it like it's hot right there. We hit that $1,000 real quick. You know, I won't be complaining about that. I would love to take that, but let's see. All right. So definitely looking for the short side with that there. Tesla is a lot weaker. So you can see here, guys, this is the Holy Grail pattern. This is one of our trading wars patterns. It's an outside followed by an inside bar. And the opposite is the Ragnarok. But this right here, guys, really nice setup here. Short below the inside bar. Put the stop loss at the high here. This is great for scalping. Okay, hit me with the 7 if that makes sense. So it's a good scalping setup right there. Really nice there if you want to scalp there for, you know, a few points, whatever you want to do with options. That's great as well. So here we go, guys. Coming into some profits here now. Let's see. Let me open up the broker. Let me see right here. Okay, guys. So I am up $255. Hit me with a 20 if that's awesome. All right, let me take a screenshot and show it to you guys just so you know I'm not bullshitting you. Okay, so here we go. Okay, so okay, I'm just gonna download that right now. I'll put that up on the Twitter for you guys. Second right now. Oops, quote. Quick, 255 on futures short. Okay. All right. So I just posted that on the Twitter right here. Let me pull this up for you guys. Really love and appreciate you guys. Thank you for being here, my friends. Very grateful to have you giving me your time here. Okay. All right. Where is it at? Be posting. I'm scared to kind of yell in here. If I talk loud like this, guys, is there an echo? Hit me with a 7. If I talk like this, is there an echo? I hear myself. Kind of scary. There you go. All right. So this is the short play right here, guys. $255.90 on that one so far, right here, right? Now back to break evens. The thing moves quickly, guys. So if you want to scalp, you can scalp all day long. Okay. That's how you do it if you want to scalp. But I'm just going to be patient here and give this time to play out. Okay, I'm going for a bigger picture, but just wanted to show you the power, right? If you want to scalp, so let's say you wanted to scalp that, so what would you do here? So same entry on the short, and then as soon as you started to come down there, you just put that stop loss above this candle here. So now when you come over here, you're at least at 0.5. That's a scalp, right? 0.5 is about a scalp. So entry was here, okay? Then move the stop loss down. Now you have a 0.5 risk to reward. Could do a quick scalp right there. So that's how you change it up if you want to scalp. Okay. But go back to where we were. What was the stop loss again? Let me just check. seems like as soon as I talk about it, it flips. So now down 340 bucks. That's how quickly it could turn, guys. So just that little move right there, that's crazy. But anyways, I have my plan. Not gonna micromanage it. Okay, just gonna leave it as is. Hey, Strangeway 2000, welcome to the Trading Wars Army, my brother. Let's welcome Strangeway in. Let's welcome him with the TW Army Spy and VIP, and just welcome in, brother. Thank you so much for your support. All right, so let's see if we can find something from a day trading perspective here. So NVIDIA is definitely a lot stronger from a bullish perspective here. So let's go ahead and take this Fibonacci from this Nirvana anchor, bring it into this high right here on the 618. So this would be a nice little hedge for us here, okay? So let's go ahead and let's do this. All right, so from a hedge perspective here, I want to take that outside bar there, guys, but might be a little bit late to the party here. So nice outside bar candle. That's a 3-minute chart. Would love to take that, but I just missed it. Missed it there, guys. Damn, missed it by like literally 1 minute there. But that was a setup right there on the 618. Missed that by a minute. Is what it is. All right, let's see if we can find something else. Outside bar, bulls definitely stepping in. Even Tesla's coming in today. I do have open swing trades on Microsoft and Amazon. So this trade here is kind of like a hedge for me as well. I definitely recommend you guys doing things like that, hedging wise. If you have a lot of long-term positions, swing trades, or investments on the bullish side, it's really good to day trade to the short side sometimes because it could protect your capital. Let me move to 15 if that makes sense. No, I've been trying. Sometimes I execute right on TradingView. I've been trying to use the feature a little bit more, but I don't feel too comfortable using the feature, to be honest. So I've been actually just entering the orders on Trader Workstation, or when I'm streaming like this, I just do mobile. I used to enter all of my trades in mobile, because when I was working 9 to 5 back in the day, guys, I used to actually just go to the stairs and trade. You know what I mean? You guys ever done that? Hit me with a 4 if you guys ever done that before. So I'm very good with mobile, Interactive Brokers Mobile, and I think it's really good. It's a really good platform. Okay. So I missed that NVIDIA, man. That one hurts me. I missed that just by a little bit. Ooh, all right. Right there on the 622. It does not get any better than that, my friends. That's an absolute beauty right there. You'll feel a little bit of FOMO sitting in there when you miss those trades. You just gotta move on, though. You don't want to chase it. Like I could chase it right now to go long up here, but then where am I gonna put my stop loss? So I come long here, I put my stop loss all the way down here now. Now I'm risking the house, right? Rather than a nice little simple candle like that. Okay, so hit me with the 4 if that makes sense. Rich, do you swing trade based on longer time frame fib? Yeah, so this is exactly an example of that. So this is the longer time frame fib. This is the hourly chart. We could see Tuesday, September 12th right here, and then the low today. So this is about a day or two of range. So this right here, I'm here on the hourly chart, and this is going to take a while to play out. Potentially, it could take a while. I mean, I could get stopped out. Stop losses right here, so I could get stopped out pretty quickly on this, but for it to play out in terms of getting to the targets is going to probably take 2-3 days. If it's very choppy, it could take a whole week. It could take even longer than that. But what my goal is with this, my friends, what my goal is pretty much, if I get a nice big winner, is to let it run as much as I can let it run, and just take some profits on the way down. So that's why I did 3 contracts. So that way I'd be able to have the ability to take 1 or 2 contracts off as the profits keep coming in. But you can see here, guys, I was up a little bit on this trade, paid like 250 bucks, and then it turned on me. So just going to be patient here. It's been like that all week. So it's been a little bit tough. But what I like about this trade here, like I said, this one right here, that anchor was the reason I took it. But you could also see the CPI was definitely pretty bullish, right? In terms of the way the market took it, because you could see that long wick there. Hit me with the 15 if you could see that long wick. All right. So here we go. It's a little bit of pullback here now on NVIDIA. If there's something that I want to go long on, it's most likely NVIDIA because of that bullish rally in the morning. See that right here. Big bullish rally right here. This is the morning for NVIDIA. Very strong. Tesla, a lot more weaker. So if I'm looking to short a stock, be looking for Tesla. And then here we go. That trade on futures as well. A lot of times as a trader, man, it's just really good to put the trade in and walk away. Hit me with the 5 if you do. Do you guys put the trade in and walk away? Hit me with the 5, or hit me with the 6 if you guys stare at the chart. What do you guys normally do? September month has been very choppy. Hopefully October month will be better. Yes, brother. Yep. Yes, sir, Riyadh. It has been, my brother. So I use ES on Tradingview, but it doesn't seem to be synchronized with the price action on TradeStation. I think that ES on Tradingview is lagged because yeah. So you need to make sure you have the right data plan. You need to have live data on TradingView because otherwise it'll be, I think, a 15-minute delay or a 5-minute delay. Okay, so very really nice inside bar here on NVIDIA. Okay, let's watch this here, guys. 2-minute chart. This is interesting. Okay, let me bring down Tesla to 2-minute inside bar as well. All right, so let's try a little scalp here. This setup will be an inside bar short, like so. All right, guys, you can just play, just watch. You don't need to do anything. But this is a typical scalp setup I could take right here off this inside bar. Generally, when you have very tight like this, it's probably better to just hit it with shares, and just practice. Because with the options, you can do the options, but just be careful with making sure you get the right strike. Probably go Friday. Lots of chop, yes, sir. That explains so much. Thank you. Yes, sir. What's going on, Paul, brother? What's going on? Omar, G-Man, you guys going all right? Here we go here. Watching this bad boy. Okay, I'm gonna move it a little bit more. I want to, if it's gonna flip, we'll see a flip here. Let's watch closely. If it's gonna flip, it's gonna flip here, guys. Let's see. Double inside. Send me some energy. Hit me with an 18. Watching this right here, guys. Could also break to the upside, but I'm more interested to the downside for Tesla specifically because of the weakness in the morning. Okay, let's see here. A lot of wicks battling here, guys. A lot of wicks battling here. This trade, if it turns back around and goes into profit here on this swing trade, I will look for a big target on this trade because this is, the bulls are fighting here. We could visually see them fighting. And if they can't hold on to this, guys, we could have a pretty big drop. That's what I'm looking for here. Give me with the 20 if that all makes sense. Here we go. Let's see that flop. Okay, there's the flip. I want to see that clean come through. I normally like to do these streams around 1 o'clock because it's a little bit better with the price action. At lunchtime, it sometimes gets really choppy. But today, I'm not able to do it that late. So let's see if we can get something. Still waiting patiently here, guys. Extremely close to getting stopped out on this trade here. And that's fine. If I get stopped out on this, I'll look to another shorting opportunity. But let's see what happens here. Okay, come on. Video, look at that monster. So if it doesn't want to turn around and come down here, guys, I will not be looking for anything because I don't want to be a bull right now on this particular trade. I only want to play it to the downside only. So here we go. Starting to come in here a little bit. You see that wick over here? We start to see some selling coming in here. Okay, let's watch. There we go. I'm going to have to put the stop loss on that wick right there. Okay, I'm going to have to increase the stop loss to that wick. Okay, here we go. There's the turn. See if it can fill through here now and start to push down. 1-to-1 is right there. So being patient here. Looks like a good setup. Are you guys profitable or red on the day? Hit me with a 1 for profitable. Hit me with a 2 for red. Here we go. All right, there's the trade. There's the entry. Okay, here we go. Very strong red candle here. Could be faked out here. I'm going to keep that stop on that wick for protection. Really want to get to that 1-to-1 right there, guys. Come on. Send me some energy, guys. Hit me with the 15. Send me some energy. This is an extremely difficult trade right here, guys, at lunchtime. Come on. Send me some 15, guys. Send me that power. So nice fall through about halfway to the targets, but not all the way. Not looking good here, guys. That turn, I want to see a clean flush through. I want to see that push right down. Boom, like that. That's what I love to see. Red on ES. Yes, sir. Starting to go, starting to see some red. Starting to see the wicks coming in on SPY. Can this happen, my friends? Can this happen? Can this be the turning point for the rest of the day? Let's see. You gotta, when you're trading, guys, you gotta limit yourself somehow. Otherwise, you can stay here all day trading. And then if you're in a bad environment, if you're in a bad situation in the market, it could blow up your account. So you gotta find a way. So for me, it's like, 1 or 2 trades. I don't do more than 3 trades on the same ticker like SPY. You need those little rules to protect yourself when you trade. Hit me with the 2 if that makes sense. You gotta have those little personal rules. When I first started trading, when you first start trading, guys, there's always that need. Like you think more is better. You're gonna keep doing more. You're gonna take more trades. You're gonna make more money. But it's all about timing. It's such a crazy thing in this market. It's all about timing. You trade in a choppy environment. No one knows when that's gonna happen. Like everybody thought today would be really smooth, really clean, but you could see it's been very choppy. But trade in a choppy environment, you can't make money, unless you're doing a different type of strategy. Like let's say you're selling premiums, that could work. But there's from a pure, directional trader, you're trying to get a straight move. It's not that easy in that type of environment. So you just have to take your bullets when you have to take them, put the bulletproof vest on, and just keep going. Right here, guys, look at this sideways action, my friends. Gotta love it. Oh man, that is extremely close to my stop loss. Oops. Let's go back to ES. I'm looking at well, you could look at the September, but I'm looking at December right now. So a little trick here, just type in ES, hit the arrow. Man, 1 sec, let me do that again. ES, hit the arrow, go down to December. Okay, here we go. All right, Tesla, show me what you, oh man, guys. So my stop loss, 45.2875. It went to 48.2850. 1 tick away from getting stop loss. I mean, that's a heart attack. Hit me with a 17. Have you guys ever been there, man? My God, 1 tick away from getting stopped out on this bad boy right there. Holy crap. That's gonna kill me one day. 1 tick. This would be such an epic trade. If somehow this trade could completely turn red and just drop, I'm going to have to make some kind of documentary on that. What's going on, Brand B? What's going on, brother? Many times in options. I feel you, brother. Here we go. Come on, Tesla. What can you do for me? Do something. There's that turn right there. Okay, going red now. Here we go. There we go, guys. There we go. Come on. Turning red on futures, turning red on Tesla. Get to that 1R. You guys have any red in the chat? Is there any red out there? You guys can you guys send me some red somehow? Is there any red emojis? Here we go. Wow. Oof, that stop loss, man. I don't. Just give me a heart attack. Okay, here we go. Yes, that's what I want to see. Break it down now. Come and flush through here and flush through here. And I'll need to see that push through. Tesla going down. Let's go, boys. Come on. Do it. So this Sunday, I'm doing a $50 giveaway for any Trading Wars Army members. So my friends here with the green, Riyadh, Ram, Strange Way, Doug, Basin Stock Hunter, everybody with the green in the name, I'm doing $50 giveaway to give back to the Trading Wars Army members. All right. So just make sure you guys tune in on Friday for that giveaway. All right. Here we go. Look at this chop. Be patient here, guys. I'm going to hang out with you guys a little bit. Brandon, what's going on? I want to send you some red, but I am long in the futures. I get you, brother. I feel you. I feel you, brother. Well, one of us are going to end up positive. That's good. That is not looking good right there, my friends. Very good setup otherwise. I mean, I'm not going to kill myself over it. We're about halfway to the target. That candle looks pretty devastating there. I think it's going to stop out. I could be wrong. It could be all chopped today. I mean, if this candle doesn't follow through, that would be wild. But it looks like it will tag that stop loss there. Close, guys. We were close on this one. This is the lunchtime style of trading. You see it's like paint drying. Very close to that stop out, guys. Is it gonna go? Wrong direction, Tesla. This is some amazing, amazing choppy price action. Absolutely stunning. So tomorrow I want to do another live stream, but I need to come in around 1 o'clock. I'm coming. This is not gonna work this time of the day. It's too choppy. Hit me with a 5 if you guys agree. Or maybe I should come in around 3 o'clock tomorrow. What do you guys think? So very interesting here. Potential inside bar setup. ES is going red on this hourly here, guys. Still alive on that swing. I just want to see something clean. Follow through. Yeah, you're right, brother Paul. Been choppy. It's been choppy for a few months. And you could visually see the chop if you look at the weekly chart. Look at this. Inside bar. So here we go. So these are the past 4 candles, okay? Inside bar. So this is a month, right? Inside bar, green candle, not a huge candle though. Then inside, and then working on another inside. So we could visually see all the chop right there. But what comes after chop, guys? Do you guys know? What comes after chop? What do you guys think? After chop, my friends, there is always some good volatility most of the time. So I'm looking forward to that. Here we go. Tesla's still trying. It's still, oh my God, this is crazy. This thing is still trying here, guys, for this short to work. Maybe we can get somebody to to pull the rug. Anybody in here good at pulling rugs? Give me the 5. Anybody in here good at pulling rugs? Because I'm gonna have to give you a call to pull this rug right here. Can't believe I've already been on stream for 35 minutes, guys. The contracts are, the Tesla contract not move yet. When I do stocks, I like to do shares, a lot of shares, especially during the chop. Shares is very simple, right? You short at 271, it goes to 270, made $1 per share per each short that you took each share. Here we go, guys. Turn that around. Let's go now. Okay, ES going red. Let's go get to that target. Let me go and get on with my life. Come on, hit it. Get down there, baby. Boom, 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 bang, 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 bang. There it is. Hit me with the 25. We are done, my friends. Put the stop loss to break even. Get the hell out of this place. I'm going to let this swing trade work out. And I'm still short here on this one. Longer, bigger picture here. I'll give you guys an update on that. Tesla, we are done. Hit me with a 10 if you guys love that. It was so close to getting that stop loss out. I was really nervous there that we were going to get stopped out, but we didn't. So that was wild. Actually, that was pretty wild. Okay. So guys, if you like these live streams, please support me. Trading Wars. Okay. Rich at Trading Wars. That's me, guys, my friends, right here. Join $4.99. Here is the video you are watching right now. Okay, so here's the 490. Just hit that join button. 499. You're gonna come with exclusive swing trades, exclusive day trades under the membership tab in YouTube, and I'm doing a $50 giveaway this Sunday. So if you want to be eligible for the $50 giveaway, make sure you subscribe. Make sure you're following. Make sure you hit the join button. Okay, and then the other thing is I will be doing a seminar very soon. Okay, and if you are a member, you will have exclusive access to the seminar for free. Here we go. Trade is working out very well. Thank you so much, friends. I'm blessed to be around you, and I'm blessed and grateful to have you here on my stream. Please comment, like, subscribe. Hit me with a 10 if you guys enjoyed that. Hit me with a comment if you guys enjoyed that. And take care. Okay, thank you so much again. Take care.